Hello! This is a simple tutorial for the magic box, or it's a sort of a portal. So when you look at it from the back, there's nothing, and when you look at it from the front, it has something inside. So the trick is that for the frame you use a normal principled shader, and for the inside frame you use this shader, and very similarly for the red cube you use something like that also. And that's the trick. That's the whole trick. The only thing, maybe you can hide the shadow for the cube if you don't want to be displayed. And also just be careful to increase this value to like 24, because the default value here is 12. And if you have it lower, it might display some like dark shadowy artifacts. So just increase this value like for 24 and you are good to go. So that's it. It looks really cool. I found this problem on this side, so I said okay, let's do a small tutorial because it's really interesting. Just a side note, for the transparent sides of the cube I used a really simple shader, so light does not bounce from it, and the red is also principled shader. So yeah, and that's it. Thank you, bye bye.